Professor Jeffrey Sachs 相信大家都久仰大名㗎啦。呢位國際知名嘅學者係出名敢言，經常喺國際會議上面咧係揭示咧歐美佢哋嘅短板，亦都係好多次咧將好多不為人知嘅事實咧向大家傾盤吐出，等大家知道到底咧美國同埋歐洲咧係做過啲乜嘢衰嘢咁最近咧佢有幾條片咧就喺網上面咧就非常之流傳咁呢幾條片咧都係講到有關新冠肺炎嘅源頭，咁佢咧就片入邊咧就將個源頭係直指美國。就話咧同美國一間大學叫 University of North Carolina 咧係有直接嘅關係咁小弟喺網上面咧就 check 咗喺 North Carolina 呢個州咧有兩間大學，一間咧叫 Chapel Hill，咁其實咧就係喺呢間咧 University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill 咧，佢入邊咧就係正正係有一個咧冠狀病毒嘅研究室。如果根據翻學校佢自己嘅網頁上面嘅資料咧，呢個研究室嘅其中一位主理人物咧，已經係研究咗冠狀病毒咧超過40年咁耐嘅。咁所以咧，呢個當然係一個非常之震撼嘅消息啦。而且小弟睇咗一條片咧，更加係直接講出點解新冠肺炎會喺武漢最先爆發，內容係非常之爆噶咁不過咧，喺小弟同大家去片之前咧，想呼籲下大家先。如果大家仲未訂閱呢個頻道咧，記緊馬上訂閱同埋撳一撳個鐘仔因為咧，遇到不斷為大家咧係報導一啲咧真確嘅消息同埋一啲想法㗎。好，咁我哋而家咧首先去片先，跟住睇完片後咧，小弟會再翻嚟咧同大家再傾多兩句㗎。
Truth is that COVID came from the University of North Carolina, which is the leading researcher on beta coronaviruses, working with the U.S. government with the strange idea, ladies and gentlemen, of creating a vaccine for bats. And I have to admit, what I'm about to tell you is only 99% sure. What they wanted to do was to have something that could be put into the air in caves in Southeast Asia that the bats would inhale and then make the bats immune to new infections by these beta coronaviruses. It sounds wild, and it is, but it's a grim truth hidden from view.
This is a big claim. It's the first time that
Yes.
I hear it. Can you tell us a bit more about this? How and why?
The United States did it most likely for the very reason it says in a proposal you can find online, by the way. It's called the Diffuse Proposal, submitted to the Defense Department Advanced Research Program. The idea was that American soldiers fight in Southeast Asia. They could get sick from these viruses transmitted by the bats. So we should create vaccines protecting bats from infection. Honestly, only the U.S. Department of Defense could come up with it. Now, because of people who leaked information, we now have a very good record. And what most likely happened is there was a lab accident. So they did these experiments and then they tested it on the bats that the U.S. has in captivity in the government laboratory in Montana. And the virus worked. It was transmitted in the bats. But there was only one problem, ladies and gentlemen. The kind of bat that the U.S. has in captivity isn't the kind of bat in Southeast Asia. In Montana, they're called Egyptian fruit bats. But the bats in Southeast Asia are called horseshoe bats. Who do you think has those bats in captivity?
China.
The Wuhan Institute of Virology. You just send it by mail. Oops! What happened? Oh, did I stick myself? There was a lab accident in Wuhan. And incidentally, when the virus appeared, the scientists said, my God, someone was tampering with this kind of virus. This looks not natural. And they said that on February 1st, 2020, in a private phone call of the top scientists that was then released by a Freedom of Information Act. And you know what? 4 days later, those same scientists wrote the first draft of a paper saying this came from nature. That's called a cover-up. And you know what? 4 amino acids that are inserted in this virus don't appear anywhere else in nature in this family of viruses. And in the research proposals for many years, scientists at University of North Carolina and some other places had the idea of putting in that sequence to do certain experiments because they knew it makes the virus most likely much more transmissible and dangerous to people. So they were studying that. And you can find the documents explaining that's the experiment we want to do. And the next thing we know, several years later, 20 million dead.
咁其實咧，大家睇完條片咧，都睇到Professor Jeffrey Sachs 咧就係直接咁講咧，呢一個病毒咧係喺 University of North Carolina 入邊做出嚟嘅。咁點解咧會喺武漢爆發咧？係因為佢寄咗俾武漢。咁佢其中咧入邊亦都有提到點解會有個咁嘅 project 咧，就係一個叫做呢個 Project Diffuse 呢一樣嘢。嗱，咁其實咧呢一個資料咧，小弟網上面咧已經幫大家揾咗啦。如果大家咧有興趣，睇一睇呢個 Project Diffuse 嘅確實嘅內容、詳細內容嘅話咧，連結咧小弟亦都係擺咗喺呢條片嘅描述入邊，咁大家可以走翻入去睇。嗱，咁其實咧，我哋見到早在2021年9月份咧，其實已經咧係有班科學家出嚟咧就幫呢一個 project 洗白。咁呢個網站咧就係 ResearchGate。咁其實咧佢點洗白咧？佢咧就係話呢個 Project Diffuse 係真有其事。首先佢係承認呢個 Project Diffuse 係真有其事，即係呢個喺研究新冠肺炎嘅疫苗所謂用喺蝙蝠上面咁話喎。咁其實咧佢話係真有其事，但係佢就話 DARPA 呢一個研究機構咧 DARPA 咧咁其實咧佢咧就喺2018年咧收到呢個 proposal，然之後咧佢係 reject 咗個 proposal 㗎。咁但係咧佢話係 reject 咗個 proposal 咁但係咧好奇怪地咧，我哋又見到喺2024年嘅5月15號咧我哋又見到咧喺呢個咧呢一個 submit proposal 嗰個機構叫 EcoHealth Alliance 呢一個機構咧佢竟然咧喺2024年嘅5月15號咧，因為佢係冇辦法就係因為佢咧就係研究冠狀病毒有泄漏咗一啲危險嘅病原體，咁所以咧被美國查封咗。咁既然咧話佢研究冠狀病毒呢一個咁嘅 project 咧係俾 DARPA 係拒絕咗嘅，點解佢又突然之間又會真係研究咗冠狀病毒？咁到底係邊個俾錢佢啦？兩個前後一對啦，就正如好多美國嘅資訊一樣咧，我哋就發覺咧入邊真係疑點重重，甚至可以話前後矛盾。咁當然啦，我哋由2024年5月份呢一個報導咧，我哋咧就真係覺得呢個 EcoHealth Alliance 咧，其實佢就係有參與。當其時咧，係攞到 DARPA 嘅批准，攞到佢撥款，係真係做咗新冠肺炎嘅做咗呢個冠狀病毒嘅研究。呢個亦都係極有可能咧，就係後來導致啦新冠肺炎出現嘅嗰個研究嚟㗎。咁不過咧 Professor Sachs 咧，佢咧就話咧，武漢咧就係因為收到呢個 University of North Carolina，佢寄咗啲病原體俾佢，然之後唔小心泄漏咗。小弟咧覺得呢個咧應該係 Professor Sachs 咧佢自己估計㗎，因為冇一個人咧會真係咁樣將佢詳細擺落 report 度咁而且咧，小弟覺得咧 Professor Sachs 佢漏咗一樣好重要嘅嘢呢一個咧，其實小弟喺之前嘅分享都有同大家講過啦，就係一個非常之疑點重重嘅活動。呢一個咧就係武漢嘅軍人運動會因為當其時咧美國咧參與軍人運動會咧係發生咗好多事情，而呢啲事情同一向美國嘅舉動係好唔同㗎。咁我哋咧就知道新冠肺炎咧其實就係2019年底啦，喺武漢咧發生第一例。咁但係咧就喺2019年嘅10月份嘅時間咧就係咧 有全世界嘅軍人咧就去武漢參加軍人運動會咁當其時咧，美國嘅運動員咧極有可能係最初引發新冠疫情嘅0號病人咁當其時咧發生咗啲咩事咧？首先就係2019年10月份咧，美國派咗300幾名選手參加當年嘅第7屆嘅世界軍人運動會。咁期間咧有5名咧美軍選手咧出現發燒、咳嗽同埋腹瀉等傳染病嘅症狀，就緊急係送到武漢著名嘅傳染病醫院金銀潭醫院就診。咁當其時咧就話得出嚟嘅結果係瘧疾。咁但係咧瘧疾其實喺中國尤其是武漢嗰度咧根本就唔係一個風土病。咁所以咧基瘧疾佢係點樣惹翻嚟嘅咧？冇人解釋過咁如果咧，而且咧佢跟住落去咧，基本上咧係處理咗啲病徵之後。美國咧就已經好快咧咁派咗軍機咧，將嗰5個病人咧係接翻美國咁其實咧喺美國響佢哋嗰5個患病嘅病人被接翻美國之後2日咧，其實其他嘅參賽嘅美軍選手都翻晒美國。點解佢會咁心急要將嗰啲人由去中國度撤走咧？咁而且咧呢5個患病嘅病人咧翻到美國之後咧係完全冇晒消息。亦都冇講到佢後續個情況係點樣，個病到底係乜嘢，同埋到底醫唔醫得好，完全都冇晒。甚至咧係後來有人問美國去攞，都係唔俾直頭係要將個消息封鎖。咁當年咧更加係美國難得地咧喺軍人運動會上面咧金牌榜上面咧係一粒金牌都冇，幾乎咧係排到去包尾咁滯排名咧去到第35位。大家都知道喺美國其實係幾貪威嘅一個國家啦，咁所以有咁嘅情況發生咧，而美國咧又好似喺完全冇問題啦，就令到我哋覺得更加有問題啦。咁所以咧，小弟一路都覺得咧，呢個咧武漢嘅軍人運動會2019年嗰個咧，其實咧同武漢嘅新冠肺炎爆發咧，一定係有非常大嘅關係咁但係阿 Professor Stark 咧，佢又講出咗佢自己嘅推測咁咧就冇睇到呢一樣嘢。咁小弟咧覺得真係聯合國亦都係時候要查一查，究竟當年嘅新冠肺炎到底係邊個真係造成呢場人類嘅浩劫？因為正如阿 Professor Stark 所講咧，當年嘅新冠肺炎其實因為夾晒所有直接病死或者因為新冠肺炎而死嘅全球人口咧，一定超過2000萬人，可以話係一個咧非常之大嘅災害咁而且咧，我哋見到呢個災害咧，更加係直至今時今日都冇斷過，因為咧我哋咧響疫情過去之後，解封之後，其實新冠肺炎都係香港咧係流行過幾次，包括咧最新響今年5月份，而家仲係5月份啦。其實咧早少少時間咧，亦都係曾經係活躍嘅高峰期啱啱呢1-2日咧先慢慢減緩嘅啫。咁其實咧無端端多咗一個風土病，無端端咧令到咧人類嘅健康咧又多咗一重威脅。邊個做新冠肺炎出嚟嘅嗰個？真係咧，要同佢清算先得。更加要值得清算嘅就係喺新冠肺炎入邊，因為咧製造疫苗而賺到盤滿缽滿，用美國用一國之力去幫佢推銷嗰啲醫藥公司。其實咧呢啲咧亦都係要去調查，因為咧我哋見到個疫苗極有可能咧係導致人類嘅免疫力係下降噶，令到人類更加容易病。呢個咧唔係小弟講噶，因為咧早喺2022年4月15號美國咧 NIH 佢已經咧係發出咗一篇論文，就係話咧呢個咧新冠嘅 mRNA 疫苗咧係極有可能咧會導致人身體嘅免疫反應，令到咧人嘅免疫力係下降。咁而且咧佢哋咧甚至係呢份研究報告入邊咧，亦都有講到咧，話佢哋都除咗呢個免疫力係下降之後咧，亦都發現咗咧，其實有好多種同呢個咧蛋白質製成咧有關係嘅疾病咧，響注射 mRNA 疫苗嘅群體入邊咧係大量地出現嚇，咁呢個咧係令佢哋咧覺得咧係非常擔心噶嚇，咁而且咧更加唔好講到咧就係曾經有科學家咧響測試入邊咧就發覺咧 mRNA 疫苗咧入邊嗰啲 mRNA 咧係有可能會係調翻轉頭影響咗人類嘅 DNA，會將咧呢個新冠肺炎嘅一啲咧遺傳嘅特質咧，就係喺人類入邊傳承落去。咁所以咧，借助啲疫苗去揾大錢嘅嗰啲公司，係咪都應該受到人類嘅清算咧？嗱，咁小弟咧真係好希望咧，聯合國世衛組織真係可以咧徹查2019年咧新冠肺炎嘅爆發嚇，對到最終最後嘅始作俑者同埋一啲咧即係當其時咧借助呢個災害咧去賺大錢謀害人類嘅公司。好，咁小弟嘅分享到呢度係為止好多謝大家嘅收睇同埋支持。如果大家認同小弟今次嘅諗法嘅話咧，同埋喜歡今次小弟分享嘅資料，希望大家咧會幫小弟分享出去。咁同埋如果大家有啲乜嘢意見嘅話咧，亦都好歡迎咧大家留言俾小弟噶。好，我哋下一個話題再傾過。